Welcome back to Science and Health Hub TV, where we explore nature's gifts for better health, beauty, and well-being. Today, we're diving into a natural product that has been treasured for centuries across many cultures: coconut oil. From nourishing the skin to strengthening the hair, coconut oil is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a natural remedy and beauty secret wrapped into one. For the next 7 minutes, we'll explore the science behind coconut oil, its benefits for skin and hair, practical uses, and some cautions you should know. Let's begin. Coconut oil is extracted from the meat of mature coconuts. It is rich in fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, capric acid, and caprylic acid, which have antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and deeply moisturizing properties. These natural compounds are the reason coconut oil has become a universal remedy in skincare and hair care traditions, from Ayurveda to modern natural beauty trends. Let's start with the skin. Coconut oil is known for its exceptional moisturizing power. Its medium-chain fatty acids penetrate the skin easily, unlike some heavier oils that sit on the surface. This makes it ideal for people with dry skin, flaky patches, or areas that feel rough. Applying coconut oil after a shower, when the skin is still slightly damp, helps lock in moisture and keeps the skin supple. Beyond hydration, coconut oil can help with certain skin conditions. Its antimicrobial properties make it a natural barrier against bacteria and fungi. This is why many people use it for minor cuts, scrapes, or even to soothe conditions like eczema. The lauric acid in coconut oil helps calm inflammation, which can reduce redness and irritation. Coconut oil can also serve as a gentle natural makeup remover. Its oily base dissolves stubborn makeup, even waterproof mascara, while being gentle on the delicate skin around the eyes. Unlike some chemical removers, it doesn't strip the skin's natural oils. But let's also look at the limitations. Coconut oil may not be suitable for everyone, particularly for those with acne-prone or oily skin. Because it is comedogenic, meaning it can clog pores, applying it directly to the face may worsen breakouts for some people. For these skin types, coconut oil is best used as a body moisturizer rather than a facial one. Another popular use for coconut oil is as a natural lip balm. Its rich fatty acids help heal chapped lips, while also providing a protective layer against wind and dry air. Some even mix coconut oil with beeswax or shea butter to make their own homemade lip balms. Let's move on to hair care. Coconut oil is one of the few natural oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft. Many oils simply coat the hair, but coconut oil's small fatty acid molecules go deeper, strengthening hair from the inside. This makes it excellent for reducing protein loss, one of the main reasons hair becomes weak, brittle, and prone to breakage. Applying coconut oil as a pre-wash treatment can make a big difference. Simply massage a small amount into your scalp and through the lengths of your hair. Leave it for at least 30 minutes, and then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. This helps protect your hair during washing, which is when the cuticle can become roughened and lose proteins. Coconut oil also helps with frizz control. A tiny amount applied to damp or dry hair can smooth flyaways and give the hair a natural shine. Just be careful not to use too much, as it can weigh the hair down. For people with dandruff or a dry scalp, coconut oil can provide relief. Massaging warm coconut oil into the scalp improves circulation, hydrates the skin, and its antifungal properties can help reduce flakes caused by yeast overgrowth. Regular scalp massages with coconut oil are a traditional remedy in many parts of India and Southeast Asia, where healthy, long, thick hair is often attributed to this practice. Coconut oil can even serve as a natural conditioner. Mixing it with a few drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary and applying it as a deep conditioning mask once a week can transform dull, dry hair into soft and manageable strands. Now let's discuss some creative uses of coconut oil for skin and hair. As a natural shaving cream, coconut oil allows the razor to glide smoothly while moisturizing the skin, reducing nicks, cuts, and post-shave irritation. As a natural cuticle oil, it strengthens nails and keeps the skin around them soft. As a base for scrubs, you can mix coconut oil with sugar or coffee grounds for a homemade exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and nourishes at the same time. For hair, some people blend coconut oil with aloe vera gel to create a lightweight hair mask that soothes the scalp and hydrates hair without making it greasy. Coconut oil is also used in traditional baby care. In some cultures, it's applied to babies' skin to prevent dryness and to massage their scalp for hair growth. Its natural, gentle profile makes it safer than many synthetic baby lotions. But as with all natural remedies, there are precautions. Coconut oil is safe for most people, but patch testing is recommended, especially for those with sensitive skin. Apply a small amount on the inner arm and wait 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. For hair, overusing coconut oil can sometimes lead to buildup, making the hair feel heavy. It's best to balance coconut oil treatments with regular washing and clarifying when needed. It's also important to note that not all coconut oils are created equal. Virgin. Cold-pressed coconut oil retains more nutrients and bioactive compounds compared to refined versions. Whenever possible, choose organic, unrefined coconut oil for skin and hair use. Let's summarize the key points. Coconut oil is a versatile natural remedy that moisturizes dry skin, soothes irritation, and protects against microbes. It can be used as a lip balm, makeup remover, cuticle oil, shaving cream, and even a base for scrubs. For hair, it reduces protein loss, conditions deeply, fights dandruff, and controls frizz, making it a powerful ally in natural hair care. It's not perfect for everyone. Those with oily or acne-prone skin should be cautious, and using it excessively on hair may cause buildup. But when used wisely, coconut oil is one of nature's most valuable gifts for skin and hair health. By incorporating coconut oil into your daily self-care routine, you're tapping into centuries of traditional wisdom, backed by modern science, that proves nature still offers some of the best solutions for our health and beauty needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science and Health Hub TV. Share this with someone who loves natural remedies and is looking for healthier alternatives for their skin and hair care. Stay